Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Swift Bluetooth with mobile, ensuring a seamless experience. We will start by covering the essential initial steps, then move through the pairing process itself. This unique method is designed to be straightforward, helping you establish a stable link without any complications. You will be connected in just a few moments, ready to utilize all your device's features. Before attempting any connection, a few crucial checks will prevent common frustrations. First, confirm that Bluetooth is actively enabled on both your Swift device and your mobile phone. Next, ensure both devices have ample power, ideally at least 50% battery, to avoid interruptions. Finally, keep them close within 10 meters for optimal signal strength during pairing. Now, let's initiate the actual connection. Open the Bluetooth settings on your mobile phone. You will see a list of available devices. Find your specific Swift device in this list and tap on its name. A pairing request will then appear on both screens, requiring your prompt confirmation within about 10 seconds. This final step secures the link between your two devices. Sometimes you might encounter a small hiccup. Do not worry, troubleshooting is straightforward. If devices do not connect, a simple restart of both your Swift device and your mobile phone often resolves the issue. If problems persist, navigate to your mobile's Bluetooth settings, select your Swift device, and choose to forget it. Then, simply attempt the pairing process again. Updating your phone's operating system can also prevent many common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.